Hey there, Lacey here with the Sweet Pea Chef, and I've got the perfect sweet chocolate breakfast for you to kick off 2018 with a healthy bang. I've partnered with Bob's Red Mill to bring you a delicious chocolate quinoa breakfast bowl that's so yummy, you're not even gonna believe you're eating healthy. So let's get started. First, start by heating a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Once it's heated, we're gonna add our Bob's Red Mill organic quinoa, and we're gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, tossing it regularly. We're looking for it to toast the quinoa a little bit. Next, add unsweetened almond milk and some sea salt, and we're gonna stir to combine well. Over our medium-high heat, we're gonna bring this mixture to a boil, and then we're gonna lower the temperature, allow it to simmer, and then cover it and let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. Because we're cooking with some milk, it can start to bubble up and overflow, so you wanna make sure to stir it a few times just to make sure that it stays down where it's supposed to. Once all of the liquid is absorbed, you can remove the pan from the heat, and then we're gonna add in our unsweetened dark cocoa powder, pure maple syrup, and pure vanilla extract, and then we're gonna stir to combine. Then you transfer this delicious chocolate quinoa mixture into a bowl and then top it with some sliced strawberries, some fresh berries. I also like to add some hemp seed hearts and a little bit of chocolate shavings just for a good measure on that chocolate goodness. This chocolate quinoa breakfast bowl is the perfect breakfast. It's loaded with protein, loaded with fiber and other great vitamins, plus it's chocolate and it's tasty and there's berries and goodness. It's just really good. I hope you love it. Thanks so much to Bob's Red Mill for sponsoring this recipe. Make sure to go grab their organic quinoa so you can make this chocolate quinoa breakfast bowl as soon as possible to start off the new year. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.